Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing a text box in Starter GUI so players can type numbers immediately. Once placed, set clear text on focus to true and text editable to true so input works across devices. Make max text length reasonable and enable text scaled for consistent display. Then, add a local script that listens to focus lost or text changed so you can capture the text property as the player finishes typing. This first step gets the UI and client-side capture in place. Next, you validate and send numbers safely to the server. Once you capture the raw text, you must convert and validate it on the client before sending it on. Use TONumber text box. Text to parse digits. If it returns nil, show an error. Next, handle decimals and formatting differences, then round or clamp the value to an allowed range like 0 to 1000 so extreme input cannot break game logic. After client-side checks, fire a remote event with the sanitized number. The server must still revalidate because you cannot trust the client completely. Finally, process the number on the server with the same validation steps. Convert with TONumber, ensure it falls inside your allowed range, and reject anything unexpected. Once accepted, apply the change and persist it if needed, then notify the client with a confirmation remote event so the UI updates. Make sure you display concise error messages to the player if input fails. If something goes wrong, check server logs and add a simple print or warn to capture the raw input for debugging, while keeping user-facing messages friendly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.